one bullet. Kind of in a bad situation here. I need most of this stuff. I mean, if I have to toss something, maybe the Molotov? What if I just take the grenade really quick? Can I just pick it up? Nope. Okay, at least I know there's a grenade up here with old Stafford. Descend back into hell. Oh, Jesus Christ, fucking still shooting up there. Fucking jumpy today. Gun me. I don't know where to hide, man. I got a million grenades, though. Oh, what's down here? Is it smart to shoot that lock and see where this goes? Where does this go? Where do you go? Are you out? Do you lead out? It might lead out. Is it still up there? Fuel storage. Fuel storage. Okay, I'm gonna... Jesus Christ, it's fucking behind me and it's destroying everything. There was an explosive barrel in there for sure. Hopefully I got the rats. Fuck this. I'm gonna save. Though we did get old Stafford's dog tag. We got a bunch of dog tags. Stafford's. It's the only one I remember because he's the foreman. Now we got oh shit, we got two. 7804. 7804. What Stafford got for us? Is this Ratchet? Fuck old Stafford, you fucking sly dog, holding out on me. What else I got? Fuck, we got all sorts of things. DB, 1660. DB, gas mask. DB. 1660. Oh, bullets. How many bullets? Tell me. Please be more than one. I got one. I went from lots of bullets to no bullets. The Jenny definitely needs some gas. And I have nothing in stock in storage, so that fuel, I might have to crack open that door and run like hell before it lights that puddle of gas on fire. Wine cellar. I got a wrench now. Can I get into this? As I remember, there was, yeah. Do I have the wrench? Yeah. Can I do it? Aw, come on. Oh, okay, here we go. Beauty, beauty. Okay, what's in here? Gas? Okay, good. Oh. Bottles. So give me that gas. This probably wasn't the best use of my gas, but... Holy shit, look at all those bottles. Oh, I think I understand. Okay, we're just gonna put that there. This is a bottle depot, kinda. I need all these. As many as I can carry. And then I think, because you can fill them with fuel. Or maybe there's just a bunch of jugs of gas in the fuel storage. I don't know yet. I'm gonna weigh down my inventory if I just gather them all up and bring them down there. I got nothing I can drop, really. I kinda need all this shit. I need more pockets. Okay, we'll jump this stick, even though the stick's probably the most useful thing we have for a bottle. And if I'm wrong, then it's no big deal, because I think I saw some other sticks floating around. Whoa. Oh, we can get in there now. There's gotta be somewhere. I remember coming around on a steel door, and I don't think it was. Oh yeah, it was down. We went down. When Lone Rat left. Shit. You can't bust through metal doors, can it? The flare's still going off. Does this guy have a dog tag for me? Oh, here it is. bullets, nice. Oh, empty bottle. Shit, rats are back. Where? Can't open. Oh shit! He can't open the door. Fuck me. No bullets for it. That gives me room for 2 more bottles. This is for the rats in that one room I can finally get in with the wrench in that little vent door. So I'll burn those fuckers with this, and then that'll free up some more for more bottles. Because they're everywhere, but I might hit up that wine storage first. Man, it's gonna suck if I get in there and it's, oh yeah, that stick, that's kind of super useful. It's gonna suck if I spent all this time collecting these bottles and like my inventory and I get in there and it's just like a bunch of gas cans. I guess I could just dump the bottles for the gas can. Yes, yes, yes. I have tools for this now. Come on. Okay. As I remember, there's a closet at the end of this. Oh, Jesus! Fuck. Nothing going on here. Don't worry about it. It's an ugly motherfucker for sure. Okay, what do we have in here? Hello, rats. Hey. Man, there's nothing ever in those. Oh, I guess I could have just shot the lock from here. Oh, that would have been a smart way to do it. Oh well. Rat barbecue. Good. That's what you deserve. Well, I kind of need those dog tags. I'll let that chill out for a while. Oh, it is a fill-up station. Fill it up, man. Come on, grab the bottle. I was kind of hoping it was just a bunch of jerry cans that'd be easy to grab. Fuck. Geeking him out, man. Becoming a pro at this shit. Oh, my gas. Okay, what do we got? Does he have a dog tag under him? And a grenade, nice. Ooh. Some good shit. Got some good shit indeed. Still kind of want to get in that chapel. I still got one I want to fill up. He's somewhere in there. Oh, he's in the vents. He's fucking with me now. That's a trap for sure. That's a trap for sure. It's just waiting. Nice try, sneaky bastard. I'm too clever for you. I need that freaking gas for the generator. Come on, fill it up, bro. Do it. I should just toss my grenade here. I can pick it back up when I do the when I go for the chapel. Right now it's all about that gas. So okay, so the wine cellar makes more sense now. That has all the bottles in it. Now I gotta get out of here. Like, I don't know if he's blind or he's could smell good or something? Mission accomplished. Going back with a haul of gas. It's a new tank. Fill her up. She is thirsty. Do I get to keep the bottle? No, okay, that makes sense. That's why. Drink. Yes. Full. Let there be light. Okay, time for the chapel. I got a grenade already down there. I'm gonna take this. There might be a lock. Okay, alright. To the chapel. For that key we don't need. And for loot. Maybe answers. I really wish I had a Molotov. Yeah. Is that another stick back there? Do not need... I mean, I could probably fill that up. Yeah, sure, why not? I'm already here. I just gotta chuck a rag in it. Oh, another stick. Damn, I got so much good shit. Okay, we're gonna hold off on the stick. I might not need it. Shit's flying everywhere. Holy fuck, what the hell? Things are a little bit more fucked up than usual. Okay. What the hell? Holy shit. Oh, my boys. What have he done to my boys? Oh god, what has he done to my boys? Oh god, intestines. Why would it need to impale them? Is it sentient? Does it know what the fuck it's doing? Oh god, I got the priest too. Why did it stake him? Oh, it's an actual item. Let's hope to God we don't take damage. No, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair at all. That's not fair, that's not fair. I want to use the pillbox key. Because I feel like it needs to be done. That makes me feel better now. Okay, we can go now. Did it hit something explosive? Good, that's my chance to get the fuck out of here. Hello, boys. Just passing through. I think we got everything down here, to be honest. I left no stone unturned for the most part, except for that pantry with that cheese. What's up with that? I don't wanna... Is there a rag around? Can I just dump fuel? Oh, perfect. Yes, yes, yes. Scream all you want, it's about to be a lot worse. Oh, you shits. I need them all there. There's gotta be a reason. There's gotta be something in here. One more. There we go. Burn hell. Yes. Ooh, that's explosives. That's that fire is getting kinda uncomfortably close. After this should be the last room I... Oh, what? What? Meat? What do I do with meat? There's no tag or anything? Oh, fuck. What does meat do? Expired meat should not be consumed by soldiers. Better used to attract rodents and other bunker pests. Can be thrown. Oh, it's bait. That would have made this area a lot easier. Shit. All right. Nothing else. Nothing special about the cheese, eh? You're right. Fair enough. So it was a thing, just not that useful to me right now. How much gas do I have? Shit, it's coming out. It's coming around. How do I keep not picking this one up? Oh, I gotta spin them, man. Apparently you can't just like grab them and run. You have to actually grab them and spin them. I think I got everything out of here. I think I'm good. I think I feel satisfied with leaving this. I got the wrench, which was a big one. No. Okay. I might have to do another Jenny run. Unless I find some gas kicking around. And meat. Can I do something with the meat? No, I can't craft anything with the meat. Alright. Fill this shit up. Okay. These are all things I need. These are all very important things. Did I get another pocket back there? Shit, I think I did. Okay, we got some more codes. we got a few. AF 5801 or FA. A 51. What was the last one? Oh, 5801. What did we get? Medkit? Medkit and bullets. I'll take them. And then we got... Man, we have a lot. We did good. AF. Like trying to click on that. Totally forgot. 1967. 1967. Gas. All right. Always happy with that. Rag. Could be better, but I'll take it. G Travis or Travers. GT 8905. 8905. Damn, grenades for days. And we're just gonna go toss that and pick up more grenades. Shit, we almost have them, everything. Oh yeah, the gas mask. We're just missing like one? Holy shit. Just missing one. One Mr. A. Lambert. Okay, let me just take a good look at the map. Figure out what our next moves are. Load up with grenades. Almost have a whole row of just grenade. Yes. Okay, I want to organize this. Come on, man. I need to make it symmetrical. It's gonna bother me if I fucking don't do it. Whatever. Okay, we got the wrench, and what did we need the wrench for again? It's been a while. We need the wrench to get into the prison. That's what we need the wrench for. That's what we need the wrench for. Alright. Pretty sure I got most of the rooms in there. I definitely know I did everything in the maintenance area. Fuel storage, so it might have to be back to there. The wine cellar. Foreman's quarters. Okay. Let's crack that generator back on and then we'll go take care of this prison. Free this prisoner. Grenade for safety. A little bit top up. Let's do this. Okay, I hate this place, as I remember. Hush up, sir. You'll be free soon, and we might be best friends. Alright. Okay, okay. What are we doing? Update on prisoner 73014. With the rest of the cells empty, I have begun a program of aggressive interrogation. I hope the screams have not kept you awake. He continues to insist that he is a common soldier, that his rank was accidentally torn from him from his uniforms, and that he knows nothing of the Second Army's plan. I do not believe him. I've ordered rations for the next 3 days. Once next he's fed, I assume his gratitude will loosen his tongue. A final note, this this work would be much easier if the wine rations were loosened. Alright then. Flare, nice. Shit. That thing's gonna blow if he comes out of there. Easy escape. Okay, which door was he in again? Don't be creaking, man. Don't be creaking. Making me unnervous. I don't like to be nervous because I got a gun. It's gonna make a lot of noise, isn't it? Let's just... I'ma just do all of them. Okay. Oh no. I was hoping I could save that man. I don't have a lot of friends down here. Okay, okay, yep. Which way is he going? That's important, I need to know. Which way did he go? Hit the bomb, hit the bomb. Or I'll fucking do it for you. That's what I fucking thought. Now what? Run. Don't come this way. Okay, he's in. He's in. Good, 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 good. I got a small amount of time. Extremely small amount of time. That's a hole, that's a hole. That's a hole. That's some sweet stuff. That's a hole. Yes! Shit! Yes, 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 yes. Oh shit, that man was fucking piped to death. Man, I always need gas. Do I always need a flare though? Med kit. God, is that a piece of meat? Why does it feel the need to impale things? Like, what's up with that? What's this? Nothing? Shit, no friends. Can't have any friends down here. Only sadness. I do not remember that happening. Oh, the explosive may have hit a gas can on the other side. Oh, fuck that. That thing's going ham. Should I be using more gas? Wait a minute. There was a chain thing in here. Yes. I do remember this. Okay, well, what do we got? Something good? Nice. Leonard is dead, murdered in the halls outside his quarters last night. His body desecrated. Given the severity of the violence done to him, claims it must have been at least 2 assailants. I would have said it's impossible to imagine any of our men committing such heinous acts, but after the tunnel sabotage, I clearly should have expected my imagination. The guilty are among us. I will round up the most likely suspects. Interrogations will begin this afternoon. His body has been prepared to return to his family. He was a good man. It's finished. Permission to court-martial all the tunnel saboteurs is granted. Any mercy is to end out our description. This I don't know, but none left. Throw them all in the pit. Leave them. This pit has came up before. What is the pit? Is it in the Roman tunnels? Man, that gas lasts a long time. Wait a minute. Nope. What was that? What the fuck was this? What the fuck is this? Is that a hole? Is that a fucking hole? Is that a fucking hole? No. No, no, no. No, that's not fair.